IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Would you like to change your name? Band 5. Answer.
I don't think I would change my name because I already get used to it. Also, my family and friends know me like this, so it is more easy.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, slightly disjointed, basic linking. Lexical resource, very simple vocabulary, some inaccurate phrasing. Grammar, errors in article use and tense, limited structures. Pronunciation, mostly understandable but may require repetition. Typical of a Band 5, basic communication achieved, but with noticeable limitations. Band 7.5 Answer.
Honestly, I've never really thought about changing my name because I genuinely like how it sounds. It feels personal and familiar, and at this point it's part of my identity, so changing it would feel strange.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth and well organized. Minor hesitation is natural. Lexical resource, good vocabulary such as personal, identity, and familiar. Grammar, mostly accurate with some complexity. Pronunciation, clear with natural intonation. Typical of a Band 7.5, detailed, coherent response with solid lexis and control. Band 9 Answer.
I wouldn't change my name at all. It carries cultural and family significance, and over the years it has become intertwined with my sense of self. Altering it would feel like rewriting a story that's already been published.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, fully developed, nuanced, and cohesive. Lexical resource, sophisticated choices such as cultural significance, intertwined, and sense of self. Grammar, complex and entirely accurate. Pronunciation, natural, precise, and expressive. Typical of a Band 9, fully natural, rich language with zero strain. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.